The crypto market is pumping this week. Have we finally reached a turning point? Well, we could always go lower and hit lower lows. One thing is for certain, there is always an end to a downward trend. Right now, over the week, we are seeing Bitcoin up 4%, ETH up 11%, Cardano up 27%, Solana up 65%, and top gainers like Gala up 165%, and Lido DAO up 74%. So what's going on? What is on the horizon in the short term? Well, the end to the downward trend for Bitcoin could eventually be zero, or the end of the downward trend could be right around the corner before reversing upward. It's all about what's more likely to happen. Sure, when considering everything that could possibly happen, there is a possibility that we go to zero, but it's much less likely to happen than us going up in price from here. There are an increasing number of bulls rearing their heads as of late, cautiously announcing their predictions that time is running out to buy Bitcoin and altcoins at these price points. Over this next week, Bitcoin is about to reset multiple cycles. So we could either see a solid multi-week bear market rally, or a rally that flips us into a new bull market, or even a fake out that sends us to lower lows. Because there are also an increasing number of bears rearing their heads, saying Bitcoin and the crypto markets are doomed and will not survive long term. At the end of the day, we need to be honest with ourselves and explore what we truly believe. Are we here for the huge, important journey of blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and its massive implications for the future of humanity? Or are we here gambling on a quick pump and dump to cash out? If we've stuck it out over these brutal last 14 months, we likely know crypto is the future and that it's only just the beginning of a long, exciting journey. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and as we've discussed on the channel, I'm not really into using charts to make short-term price predictions. However, there is one technical indicator that I favor and check in with when we experience price action like we're seeing now. So let's check it out together. Please be sure to check out our sponsors NordVPN, Moralis Academy, and Ledger. Secure and protect your data, privacy, and crypto investments from hackers and trackers by using virtual private network services with NordVPN. Jumpstart a career in the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency space with affordable and beginner-friendly courses and education with Moralis Academy. And make sure you are transferring all of your cryptocurrency investments from exchanges to hold securely on cold storage hardware wallets like Ledger devices. Scroll down to the description area below to access the correct and official sites, as well as redeem any special offers they have for us. Cool. Back in May of 2022, we explored this crypto trading indicator together on the channel and talked about how I planned on using it to keep an eye on the market to try and identify a bear market bottom. So now it's time to revisit it and see what's going on. So this tool is just that. It's a tool. It's not a genie, it's not a crystal ball, it's not scientifically proven to predict anything. So keep that in mind if you're interested in potentially buying access to it for yourself, which you can access at a discount by scrolling down and using the link in the description area. My favorite crypto trading indicator is called the Bitcoin Strength Index Indicator, or BSI indicator, and it combines technical analysis with on-chain analysis into one easy-to-use trading indicator that even beginners can use to try and anticipate moves in the crypto market. So let's check it out and see what's going on with Bitcoin's price. First, just to give you a quick look at why this is my favorite charting tool to use, let's look at how it has performed historically with predicting Bitcoin bear and bull cycle beginnings and endings. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin to US dollar price chart. And down along the bottom here, we can see past months and years. The bull cycle in 2017 here brought us from the $2,000 to $20,000 price point, and in January of 2018 was the start of a multi-year bear cycle, which lasted until around March of 2019. So these green areas with the yellow underline indicate long-term bullish trends, while these red areas with red lines on top indicate long-term bearish trends. And here in March of 2020, we can see a mini bull trend get completely decimated by the COVID pandemic, which turned around in May of 2020. When the money printer started printing and people started getting scared about the value of the dollar. And moving the chart closer to present time, we see that bull trend going absolutely insane all the way to the May 2021 peak before flipping bearish and remaining bearish through the summer until August 2021. From there, we flip bullish again all the way to the November 2021 all-time high before flipping bearish all the way to where we are now in January 2023. So you can see how we've been in a full-blown bear trend for the past 14 months. However, when looking at the lines on the weekly, it indicates that if the price of Bitcoin breaks above 20K, the BSI will turn bullish. And as we've already walked through its past performance together, we can see that it has been pretty accurate except for the Black Swan pandemic dump. Are we immune to future Black Swan events? Absolutely not. But it's all about the probability of another one happening that flips us from a short-term bull stint back bearish. So basically, if we start breaking through that 20K price point and are able to maintain it, we may very well flip into a bullish uptrend. This bear market may be over in terms of returning to significantly lower lows. Either way, Bitcoin under 20K, in my random wild opinion, that isn't financial advice, is cheap. And it's one of the few cryptocurrencies I have been heavily stacking throughout this bear market. We could very well be experiencing our generational moment to accumulate Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies at generational price points. Or we could not. Again, no one can predict the future of most things, especially this new speculative technology. The reality is, this bear market has affected everyone who is an investor invested in any asset class, from stocks to real estate and crypto. We are all in the red and have been over this past year. Losses are losses. They are behind us in 2022, and we need to have a fresh, positive attitude, hard work ethic, and resolve to absolutely crush it in 2023. To take advantage of these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities during the rest of this bear market. We also need to keep in mind and mentally prepare for this bear market lasting longer, like through the rest of this year and possibly into 2024, as the Russia-Ukraine conflict may escalate and keep global markets down, and as we continue our waiting game to see if other big players collapse from the FTX fallout, like Binance, or if US regulators decide to swoop in during crypto's weak time and bring the hammer down on Binance, Tether, or similar, and also the seemingly likely collapse of DCG, which would worsen the unknown full extent of damage from the FTX fiasco. So make sure you have taken the time to invest in a cold storage hardware wallet like Ledger Devices, which their most affordable option, the Ledger Nano S Plus, is only $79. So if you have more than $79 worth of crypto, you would be upset over losing if it's on an exchange that goes bankrupt. Scroll down to the description area below to access Ledger's correct and official site, as well as redeem any special offers they have for us. Then take the time to transfer your digital assets off of exchanges so you can take complete control and ownership over your investments. There are certainly a lot more reasons to be bearish than bullish. However, personally, I'm bullish and sticking to my random wild guess that we bottom around the end of March, which you can check out why by clicking on the link above. Sweet. So if you're interested in investing in this charting tool we explored together, it's called the Bitcoin Strength Index Indicator, and it is available through the Morales Academy, which you can access at a discounted price by scrolling down and using the link in the description area. Awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content where I share tools I'm using to try and have an edge in this crazy market, let me know by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the bell notifications to stay up to date on all of the latest videos. So, what did you think about the BSI indicator? Is it a tool you're interested in checking out? Do you think the next bull cycle is around the corner, or we have more pain to endure? Let me know in the comments below. Be safe out there.